Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to listen to the pronunciation of your translated text or word on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should choose the source and target language at the top of the screen. As you can see, now it is set to French and English, but you can change the direction of the translation by tapping on this button in the middle, indicating two arrows pointing into the different or opposite directions. And then if you are done with these steps, tap on the enter text box, and now you should type in either a single word that you want to translate or a whole text if you feel like to do so. Now if you have typed in the word that you would like to translate and then listen to the pronunciation, just simply tap on this speaker icon here in the left side of the screen.
Hi.
And then you will be able to hear you can either choose the source language or the target language. As you can see, it's down below, the target language pronunciation. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.